Welcome back to our series on Learjet maintenance. In this one, we're focusing on the small but mighty components that hold the entire aircraft together, fasteners and rivets. These are the literal nuts and bolts of aviation, and their condition is critical to the aircraft's structural integrity. Aircraft are held together by thousands of fasteners. The most common types are bolts, used with nuts and washers for high-strength joints, and screws, often used to secure access panels. Then you have rivets, permanent fasteners used in critical structural joints, like along the seams of the fuselage. Each of these components comes in different shapes and sizes, carefully engineered for a specific purpose and load. Fasteners work by creating a secure clamping force. A rivet is installed by deforming its tail, causing it to expand and lock into place as a tight, permanent connection. Bolts and screws, on the other hand, are threaded. When tightened, they pull two or more parts together, creating a friction fit that prevents movement. The specific tension, or torque, on a bolt is just as important as the bolt itself, because it ensures the correct clamping force is applied. The purpose of these fasteners is simple but profound: to ensure the structural integrity of the entire aircraft. Every part of the fuselage, wings, and tail is held together by these components. A single loose or missing fastener can increase the stress on the surrounding fasteners and, over time, lead to a more serious structural issue. The sheer number of them provides redundancy, meaning the failure of one or two won't cause a catastrophic event. But it does mean they all need to be checked regularly. Now, let's look at the basic maintenance checks for fasteners and rivets. This is a purely visual inspection that's performed during every walk-around. For rivets, you're looking for any that are loose, missing, or have a damaged head. A loose rivet may show signs of movement, or the head might appear cocked or raised. For bolts and screws, check for any that are missing or appear loose. You can also look at the heads for signs of stripping or damage that could indicate improper installation. A simple visual sweep of all panels and structural joints is the best way to catch these issues early. Any missing or loose fasteners must be reported to a certified mechanic. They can install a new one with the correct torque or replace a damaged rivet, restoring the aircraft's structural integrity. And that concludes our look at fasteners and rivets. From the sensors that guide us to the bolts that hold us together, we've explored the fundamental systems of the Learjet. Thank you for watching. See you next time.